Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the bonus training that you're going to receive when you join Exitus Elite and you purchase one of the products. So it doesn't matter if you come in at the G1000 like I did, or you come in at the G100. You're going to receive the same training and support that I give to my G1000 level signups, because in the end I want all of you guys to succeed. I want my team to succeed, and what better way to do that is to provide extra additional training on top of all of the digital marketing training courses that you receive in Exitus Elite. So you're going to receive so much support, so much training in Exitus Elite that it's going to help you to skyrocket your online business. And so I'm going to show you right now what you're going to receive. But real quick, before we get started, I just want to let you guys know who I am. My name is Matthew Letendre. I started in affiliate marketing back in 2012. It was actually 8 years ago last week. And I was looking for ways to make money online. It didn't necessarily have to be affiliate marketing, but I was just looking for different ways to make extra money on the side using all the modern technologies that we have. And back then, it's definitely not as advanced as it is today. I wish I had a platform like Exitus Elite back then, because I probably would have been even more successful over the years than I was back then, but I still did pretty good. And a lot of the stuff that I learned on my own. I really didn't have a good sponsor in the beginning. So I took it upon myself to learn how to do it by observing what the successful were doing. And it wasn't until around 2014 to 2015 I met my sponsor in Power Lead System, who really helped me get even better. And he's the one that inspired me to start my YouTube channel. And so I got over my hang up and my fear of making videos. And I'm so glad, because I love interacting with all of you. And I love what I've done with this channel. And so that's just a little bit about me. I just wanted to tell you. In this video, I'm just gonna show you what you get. So this is Generation 1. It's called 3 Generations Bonus Training. And in Generation 1, you're gonna receive all of these 5-minute videos on different topics on how to succeed in affiliate marketing and to promote Exitus Elite. As you can see right now, my sponsor, he's the one who created this page. He has, see these links in blue right here? That means these are live videos that you can click on right now to learn how to market your business. So, and over time, I think he's making all these other videos right now. So, by the time you get to this page, you may actually see more training unlocked. So, and then we have Exitus Elite questions and answers. These are also different video links to different topics about Exitus Elite. And then you got Generation 2, which is 2022 Craigslist Training. So this is the most up-to-date Craigslist training that you can start applying for. Sorry, guys. That you can start applying to your marketing. We also have updated pricings for different locations on Craigslist that you can use to promote. And then you also have right here, this is the Mega Swipe File page, which I'm actually going to talk about in a minute. And then you got some 2022 Instagram training right here as well. So, and in Generation 3, you have, if you have if you have access to Power Lead System, you can use these share codes to use in your marketing as well. And then you got all this additional training down here. This is some of my sponsor's best training that he can give you guys. So that's all the training you're going to receive. Now, there are two ways you can access the Mega Swipe page. You can do it by clicking here or here. So I already have it opened up, so I'm just going to show it to you right here. So this is a page that we're going to give you to use in Craigslist, Facebook scripts, in our team ad art, which I'm gonna break down for you right now. So not only do you have Craigslist here, we also have other places where you can post ads for Exitus Elite here. So you got all these free sites that you can use to promote Exitus Elite right here. And then we also include, you can copy and paste these headlines into your ads right here. And we also include the ad bodies as well. So you can copy and paste these as they are, or you can change them up. So this is, we're giving you so much support here, guys. It's because we want you to succeed. We want you guys to get the ability to be able to help your team, even if you're not really experienced yet. You can give these trainings out to your team as well, so they can also start learning. And it's not only going to help you build your team, but it's also going to help you to build rapport and trust with your leads and your signups to your team. So right here we also have Craigslist scripts that you can use in your Craigslist marketing. And then we also have Facebook scripts that you can use on your Facebook timeline or in Make Money Online Facebook groups as well. So you got all of this right here. You got some Facebook tips right here. And then these are just examples of things that you can do in your ad art. My sponsor and myself, we both use a app called Pixel Lab. That's how he created some of these ads. And then here's examples of YouTube ads or thumbnails. And then here you can use any one of these pictures in your own marketing. So we're giving you everything you possibly need to start succeeding. So that's the 3-bit generations bonus training that you're going to receive when you join my team. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. Like always, if you have any questions or that you want to ask me, feel free to comment below, and also hit the like button and the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And I have a lot more content coming. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye. Oh, one more thing, and the link to join Exitus Elite is also in the description below.